ಹೇಳಣ್ಣ. ಯಾರು? ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ. ಯಾರು? ಕಡ್ದಾಸ್ನಳ್ಳಿ ಬರೀ 75,000ಕ್ಕೆ? ಹ್ಞೂ 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 ಹಾಂ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ. ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡು. ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಬೇಡ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ, ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ ಕೀಳಿಸಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೆಲ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ ಕೀಳ್ಸಿರೆ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು, ಅದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಸಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ? ಹ್ಞೂ 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 ಹ್ಞೂ. ಈಗ ಫೈನಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೇ ಗಿಡನ? ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಏನಣ್ಣ? ಏನಣ್ಣ? ಹಲೋ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಇನ್ನೇನಮ್ಮ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಸರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇವಾಗ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಕತ್ತಿ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಬೇಡ, ಗಿಡಗಳು ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಡು, 130 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇಟು ಶೇಗರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಏನೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಹಲೋ. ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹಾಂ, ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, good evening guys. I hope you all doing well and staying safe in your home. I think one more need to join, right? Let her join later on. What we will continue the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. What we can discuss today is the preservation technologies or the techniques followed in the flower crops. That too mainly, can you name few of them? What are the preservation techniques followed in the flower crops? Yes, few of them.
Still cutting, hanging, freeze drying.
Okay. Mainly the drying
sun
techniques.
drying.
The dry flower industry in India is one of the leading industry in floriculture sector. About 90% of the dry flowers has been exported from India. That too, the mainly production is concentrated in Tamil Nadu. Triticon, have you heard of this? Triticon.
Yes, sir.
This is the place where majority of the dry flowers will be exported. In drying only we have air drying, vacuum drying, then gel drying, silica drying, then freeze drying. We have n number of types. Do you want all these techniques should I cover in detail, or mainly with respect to competitive exams wise we should think of?
In details, sir.
Uh-huh.
In detail.
We need to deal in detail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Okay, we'll deal in detail only. For that, I think we can schedule another class. Can we discuss the question paper today, if possible? That's
Yes, sir.
that time we stop, na? That we can continue today, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. We'll all concentrate on solving we will discuss the questionnaire today. Try to involve in this questionnaire session. Try to answer. If it is wrong also, don't worry. Answer boldly. Okay. We'll try our maximum. Okay. Mainly this is question number 12. What are the essential features in all type of modern English gardens? What are the main features of English garden? Mainly the lawn, herbaceous border and the rockeries. Getting? These are the main features
Yes,
of
sir.
English garden. They have given all of this. You should observe all of this. Mainly in some questions they will give only the lawn or the herbaceous border. At that time you should go for the lawn only. It is the chief feature of English garden. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Then among the orchid crops, which is the largest genus? Mainly Bulbophyllum. This is the largest genera or the
Bulb.
genus Bulbophyllum. Okay, we have more than 5 to 6,000 of species here. That's why it is called largest genera. After the Bulbophyllum, the Dendrobium will come. Okay, if the Bulbophyllum is absent in the option, go for the Dendrobium. Got it? What is the
Yes, sir.
speciality of Crepidatum. They will give the, in every question you will observe the crepidatum. What is the speciality of crepidatum? Have you seen this flower? Crepidatum. Have you seen this flower?
Not seen, sir.
Not seen. I'll show you. Wait.
No, sir. No.
Crepidatum. Crepidatum orchid. It is, what is the speciality of the crepidatum? It is showing Dendrobium crepidatum. Let me type slipper orchid. Have you heard of this common name, lady slipper orchid? Yes. This
Yes,
is
sir.
slipper orchids. In European countries, the shoes are the slippers. It will resemble the shape like this. Getting? Yes. One more.
Yes, sir.
One more is there na in this meeting. Ankita or Anu?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are getting right.
Yes, sir.
It resembles like slipper, lady slippers. That's why the common name is lady slipper orchid. Okay, this is frequently asked question. Lady slipper orchid. Crepidatum. Then Vatsayana did not describe which of the following garden? Pramodhyana, Nandanavana, Passage Garden, Rikshavatika. We have to go for
Passage Garden.
Passage Garden. Why? Where it comes? Passage Garden. Quick. It is a type of garden in Japanese garden, right? Sand garden, shade garden, rock garden, tea garden, passage garden, hill garden, right?
Yes.
Quick.
sir.
Okay. Then what is the speciality of Pramodhyana? It is mainly meant for royal couples. Vatsayana mentioned in his book, which is the book? Quick. The book written by Vatsayana. I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Audio.
Yes, which is that book? Kama Sutra. Here, Pramodhyana, this garden is only meant for the royal couples. Nandanavana. This is very frequently asked question. Nandanavana. Nandana. What do you will remember? What do you will flash if you remember the name Nandana? Lord Krishna. Right?
Lord. No.
Yes. Nandanavana is meant for Lord Krishna. And one more speciality of this is the Buddha visited Nandanavana. This is also a very famous question. Which among the following garden where the Buddha visited during his teaching time? They will give all the options. You should choose Nandanavana. Okay. Then what is the speciality of Rukshavatika? Quick.
Nasi.
Yes. This is mainly meant for the coteries, means the subordinates of king, like minister and other subordinates, where they can sit and see the dances. They can have their pleasure time in Rikshavatika. Getting? Which of the
Yes, sir.
following is not included in the Japanese garden?
Yes, sir. Vertical garden.
Vertical garden. We have tea garden, hill garden. What do you call for the tea garden in Japanese term? What do you call for the hill garden in Japanese term?
Sukiyama.
Yeah, Roja Niwa, Suki Niwa. Those are the important terminologies. They will mainly frequently ask what is the Japanical word or the synonyms, synonym for the hill garden in the Japanese. They will ask like that. Okay, you need to remember all these Japanese words. Then who given the vertical garden concept? Quick, these are all burning topics in floriculture. Who given the vertical garden concept? Quick. Don't know.
No, sir. Forgot.
Dave. One more. Srishti or Anu?
No, sir.
You are Srishti or Anu? Ankita.
No, sir, not.
You also don't know. For the next class, you need to find out who given the concept of vertical garden. Right? Dave, I have given one more assignment for you.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
remember that? Quick.
No, sir. Don't.
What do you mean by coppicing, pollarding? Where these concepts has been followed? In which crops? Got the question?
Yes, sir. Previously, you told that.
Then you worked on it.
No, sir.
After the class, you need to put regarding the coppicing and pollarding in the group. Okay. Let all the
Yes.
students should know, and you also. You should
Yes, sir. Yes.
you should work on vertical garden. Given the concept on vertical garden in the world level and in India level? Who is the father or the whose idea is the vertical garden? Okay. Then in which style of gardening plan is forced to fit the land for securing the natural beauty? Getting the question? Here the style of garden is forced to fit for the land in order to secure the natural beauty. Getting what it means?
Sir, why formal is wrong, sir, here?
Yeah,
Why formal is wrong, sir, here?
yeah. This is maybe due to some technical issues. The person is given the wrong answer. Okay, what is the right answer here?
Formal, maybe.
Formal.
Yeah, here in the formal garden, we will force to fit the design into the land. In informal,
So informal also, na?
no.
Both
In
will be
informal,
answered.
what we'll do? We will not force the design to fit into the land. We will freely follow as per the land. If it is curved also, we won't uh, we won't bother. But if the land is curved in the formal garden, we will going to design in the square only, in the square shape or in the rectangular shape or in the circular shape, in the geometric shape only we will going to design the plan for the formal garden. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Who given the concept wild garden? William Robinson, right?
Yes, yes, sir. William Robinson.
You need to remember all this because they are very frequently asked questions in floriculture, which is the not a part of Japanese garden. Here also they again hill garden, sand garden, tea garden, bog garden. What do you mean by bog garden? What is the term bog? Mainly bog means what? Mainly the like water loaded region, or what do we call for that? The specific term marshy land, where the water stagnant is more. Have you seen the lotus ponds or lily ponds or paddy field? Have you seen
Yes,
marshy?
sir.
That is what we call marshy or bog garden. Here mainly we'll create the bog garden where we'll excavate the land and we'll create the slope. Here we will going to artificially plant lotus or lily in the sunken or bog gardens. Getting? Then sand garden is also known as, what do you call for the sand garden?
Rojiniva.
Roji
Sorry,
Niva.
Daniel Garden.
Yes. Oh, what is the speciality of Royenji? Royenji then.
Only sand and stone are there, sir. No.
Yes. Uh-huh.
It's like rock, rock garden.
Okay. Roenji is a famous sand garden located at Kyoto, Japan. This is also very frequently asked question. Don't forget this one. Roenji, it's a famous sand garden located at Kyoto, Japan. Getting? Then the
Yes, sir.
research on jasmine in India mainly concentrated at TNU, Tamil Nadu. This institute only developed on the production technology, main breeding, then value addition, post-harvest handling, then export related all work has been done at TNU, Coimbatore. Okay, which is the first campus in India. First agriculture campus in India. Quick. First agriculture
Sir,
campus. Yeah. First.
IRI.
Uh-huh. First agricultural university means. I'm audible.
GB Pant. GB Pant.
Yes. If it comes for the agriculture university means GB Pant. If it comes for the agriculture research station means New Delhi. First horticulture university.
Bagalkot.
Yes, pure horticulture university is Bagalkot, Karnataka. But if the option is not there in the Bagalkot, if they given the Shimla, go for that. Not Shimla. Which was that? Solan, horticulture university, horticulture and forest university. That was the first horti and forestry university in India. Okay. Then expand IIVR.
First horticulture forest university, which is.
Yes.
Sir, again repeat this.
If
First horticulture forest.
if they ask the questions like which is the first horticulture university established in India. If they given the option like Solan, HP, then IRI, then GB Pant, then one more OUIT,
Yes, sir.
Bhubaneswar. You have to choose for the Solan, HP. If they have given the University of Horticulture Science, Bagalkot, Karnataka, then you have to go for Bagalkot. It is the first pure horticulture university in India. Got it?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear? I think it's disturbing. Na?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear or disturbing?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. Then expand IIVR.
Indian Institute of Vegetable Research.
Where it is located?
Situated at Varanasi.
Varanasi. Yes. You need to remember this one. Then what do you mean by NBRI?
National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow.
Yes. Then Bharat Sundari is a famous cultivar of dash developed at the IHR Bangalore. Bharat Sundari belongs to hibiscus na? Queen of Hesrughatta? Bougainvillea or hibiscus?
You know?
Queen of Hesarghatta. Queen of Hesarghatta. Have you heard of this variety? This is also very frequently asked question.
Bharat Sundari.
Yeah, Bharat Sundari also. Then Queen of Hesarghatta. Yeah, which
Don't
crop?
know.
I'm giving only two options: Bougainvillea or hibiscus.
So Bougainvillea maybe.
Maybe Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea.
Okay, Bougainvillea only. Then what is the true color of bougainvillea flower? Quick.
Red.
Red. What I told you. I have repeated thousands times.
What
The
the?
true color of bougainvillea flower is white. Those are all brat, not the true flowers.
Yes. True color.
Okay, you need to remember this one. Then one more question on rose. Which is the natural color absent in the rose? Which color is naturally absent in rose? Yes, not audible. Can you repeat once again? Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
She asked something, some doubt, maybe. Not audible. Can you repeat the question once again? Yes.
Yes, sir. You told, sir.
Yes, but someone asked, na? Okay, no problem. We'll continue. Na? 21 question. The thornless rootstock variety developed at mainly IHR. Can you name that thornless rootstock? Which is the thornless rootstock? Where it comes? Thornless rootstock. Mainly in rose. Which was that variety? What is the name of that rootstock? Yep, Ankita, Dev, Srusti. Quick. Which is that variety? Arkanishkant. Not heard of this Arkanishkant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Important thornless rootstock variety in rose. Developed at IHR. This is the only thornless rootstock variety in India in the rose. Okay, can you expand bark? Quick. Yes, Baba Atomic Research Center, Trombay, located at Mumbai. Then Banjar and cultivar of rose belongs to which category? Which type of, whether it is tea rose, hybrid tea or polyanthus or floribunda? Which category it belongs? This is belongs to floribunda. Right? Then Pusa
Sir,
Basanti.
what is the difference between, sir, hybrid tea rose, polyantha rose, floribunda rose, sir?
Good question. It will take more than
How
half
do
an
you
hour to
identify that,
explain.
sir? This is
Yes,
hybrid
yes,
tea, this is polyantha, this is floribunda.
yes, yes. Mainly, you remember the hybrid teas mainly exploited for the cut flowers, only commercially cultivated in the protected cultivation. In floribunda, this also mainly used for the cut flower, but we can somehow manage in the open field
So
also.
voice is breaking, sir.
My voice is breaking.
Now
Now,
it's okay.
now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The hybrid tea, this category is mainly exploited for cut flower. This hybrid tea is mainly exploited for the cut flowers, mainly grown in protected cultivation. This floribunda is also mainly exploited for cut flower, but we can somehow grow in the open field also. This polyanthus, then we have climbers, those are all for mainly ornamental purpose, for the screening purpose or for the making beds, shrubberies in the garden. Got it?
Polyanthus, repeat sir, ornamental purpose.
Yes, mainly for in the garden or maybe for
Yes.
loose flower. Polyanthus also mainly exploited for loose flower production. Have you heard of button rose? Button rose, they are mainly used for the garland making. Okay. Then Pusa basanti is the open pollinated cultivar of marigold. Pusa basanti genda. What do you mean by genda in Hindi? I am audible to you.
Yes, audible.
Yeah, what do you mean by genda in Hindi? Genda means marigold, na, right? Yellow color.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's what I am asking. What do you mean by genda in Hindi? Okay, then one more is, what is the specialty of this Pusa basanti genda?
No, sir.
Large size, sir.
Uh-huh.
Large size.
Okay, then
Deep yellow.
okay. Whether it is French type or African type.
African type.
Okay. Whether it is CGMS or CMS line.
CMS. CMS.
CMS.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by CMS?
Cytoplasmic male sterility.
Okay. Then one more we have Pusa Narangi Genda. It is CMS or CGMS? Quick.
Don't know, sir.
Both these two are CMS based hybrids in marigold. This is also very frequently asked question in marigold. Okay.
Okay.
Then Rajat Rekha. It's a mutant cultivar of tuberose. What do you mean by Rajat Rekha? They can also ask the question like the silvery streaked variegated foliage variety released from the NBR. What do you call? It is from NBRI, right? NBRI
Yes.
Lucknow in tuberose crop is Rajat Rekha. Then one more is Rajat Rekha and Swarna Rekha. Right, mainly variegated foliage used in the landscaping purpose, not for the production of cut flowers or loose flowers. You try to remember this one. Then most of the cultivars of chrysanthemums are short day, long day, day neutral. What?
Short.
Short day plants.
Short.
They are short day plants. Then male sterility is common in petunia, marigold, anthurium, all of this. We have the male sterility in marigold,
All of
right? We have the male sterility in anthurium, exactly. In petunium, in
Yes.
petunium also we have the male sterility.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is GMS or CGMS.
CMS.
CMS, paka.
CMS.
The hybrid seed production of petunia is mainly done through CMS technology. CMS, sterility based technology. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then Pusa Tara is an important cultivar of which crop? Have you heard of this? Coreopsis. This is also frequently asked question. Then pin and thumb structures
Yes.
mainly found in
Primula.
primula.
Heterostyly primula.
Yes, you need to remember this one also. Then pollen sterility in rose is mainly checked through which technique? Aceto-carmine technique. Okay. Where this potassium iodide is used?
Yes, sir.
Where this potassium iodide is used? Can you remember the jasmine crop? Foliar
Yes, sir.
defoliant.
Previous class.
Then orthosym
Previous
carnation are highly resistant to. Yes.
Biocide.
Yes. Your voice is breaking. Can you repeat once again? Can you please repeat once again what you said? Yes, quick. You are saying something, no? The voice. Yeah.
Bioside, sir.
Bio. Your voice is not audible. Otherwise, you put the message in the text box, chat box. Sixty. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. I wrote it.
Biocide,
Biocide.
sir. Means, what do you mean by
In chat box.
biocide? Potassium iodide is a biocide or a jasmine defoliant, leaf defoliant?
Leaf defoliant, sir.
Yes, used in jasmine. Then one more, chlora, penta. Yes, Dave. One more we have been used now. Potassium iodide, ethyl, then chloropentanol. Remembering?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this Arthur Sim. This Sim series will comes in carnation. You remember this one. This variety is highly resistant to rust in carnation. Which is a major problem in carnation? Fusarium wilt. Okay. Which is the first GM, genetically modified variety released in carnation. Before the release of blue roses also, this blue carnation has been released. Moon dust series. Moon series will comes in carnation. Those are all genetically modified blue carnations.
Moon series.
Moon.
Okay.
Got it? Moon dust. We have n number of moon series hybrids in carnation. Those are all genetically modified blue carnation. Okay. Then which of the following is commonly known as sword lily? Is gladiolus. Gladiolus we call sword lily. Then the flower buds. The flower bud rot of carnation is mainly due to botrytis. In any flower crop, the flower bud rot is mainly due to botrytis. The soil-borne wilt will be by Fusarium. Okay. This fragrance is controlled by how many genes? Mainly polygenes. Means multiple genes. Many number of genes will govern for the fragrance. So it is very difficult to transfer the fragrance genes in flower crops. Got it? The grey mold in chrysanthemum is mainly due to botrytis. Okay. Then the intraspecific hybrids are very common in which of the loose flower crop? We have discussed this one. In marigold. Can you name that? Red and gold hybrids. Remembering? Red and gold hybrids in intraspecific hybrids of marigold. Then the light intensity in the greenhouse is not controlled by, yes, through nylon we can control the light intensity, we can cut off the light. Then tarpaulin, exactly, but through aluminum it won't work as a, it won't absorb or it won't cut off the light intensity in greenhouse. This is also frequently asked question. Then yellow rose cultivars are harvested at tight bud stage. Roses or yellow roses mainly harvested during tight bud stage. Okay. Then leaf scorching in lily is due to higher concentration of fluorine. You need to remember this one. Leaf scorching in lily. Then one more crop, gladioli. Gladioli also it is very sensitive to fluoride, na?
Fluorine.
Yes. Then
Yes, sir.
which of the following climber is good for bonsai making? Duke flower, it's a climber. Moonflower, it's also climber. Petera, this is very suitable for making bonsai. Got it? This is also frequently asked question.
Yes, sir.
Then in Japanese flower arrangement, it is mainly based on spiritual theme. Mainly in Japanese flower arrangement or Japanese gardens, they indicate the spirituality, peaceness, calmness. Okay, remember the Buddha. Then which of the following is not the principle of landscaping? Which is not the principle of landscape? Which are the principles of landscaping? Line, ascent, balance, then axle, right?
Yes.
We read regarding the principles of landscaping. Then one more is what? Yes. Then elements of gardening. Elements of gardening we have. Then principles of gardening, principles of landscaping. This is very important question. They will definitely going to ask one question based on this one. Which is the principle among the following? Which is not the principle? Which is the element? Which is not the element in the given option? Okay, try to remember all the principles of landscape garden, then elements of landscape garden. Have you read regarding this? Make a short story or short word how to remember all these principles. Okay, say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you mean by intangible?
We
Intangible
cannot
means,
touch.
yeah, we can't touch, we can't feel, we can't touch, but we can only feel it. Like fragrance, we can feel, but we can't touch. Wind, rustling, it's also the sound we can't touch. The moving of birds, but we can touch the sundial, right? It's a physical thing we can touch. Here what they have asked, not a intangible means which is the thing which we can touch in the garden.
Tangible.
Yeah, that is sundial. These we can't touch. Means these are all intangible elements in garden, right?
Yes.
My voice is clear or breaking?
So clear.
Okay. Then the most of the conifers have the dash shape canopy. Means how the canopy shape will be. Mainly pyramidal shape. Have you seen the Christmas tree? You remember? Coniferous means Christmas
Yes.
tree. Monkey puzzle tree. Okay. It is always in pyramidal shape. You remember that one. Then which among the following is a fine texture foliage? Have you seen the jacaranda, silver oak, deodara? Everyone's seen the silver oak. Those are all very fine textured foliage trees, mainly used in gardening. Deodar, silver oak. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jacaranda mimicifolia. What do you call that? What is the specialty of that? Blue gulmore.
What, sir?
Jacaranda mimicifolia. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Blue,
flower
blue,
color?
blue.
What is the flower color of this jacaranda?
Sir, blue.
Blue, right? Yes. Then what is
Yes.
the flower color of silver oak?
Silver, gravial,
Yes.
yellow.
Flower color is yellow.
Yellow, sir. Yellow.
Yes.
Yellow.
Then have you heard the word cords? Cords, CORTS.
No, sir.
I will show it. Have you seen the chlorophytum?
No, sir.
Chloro. Have you seen the chlorophytum plant? Foliage plant. Chlorophytum borwillianum.
Chlorophytum for
Spider.
sir.
Spider plant.
Seen.
This one.
Yes, sir. Seen.
The small puppies are the small
Yes.
propagules. Here, these propagules we call it as cords. This is the terminology they have used. Cords are commonly used for the multiplication of Chlorophytum borwillianum. Okay. Then
Yes.
bottom heat technique is mainly useful for the propagation of bougainvillea. We have discussed this. Then one more crop. Bottom heat technique
Yes.
is followed in bougainvillea. One more crop.
Mango.
Mango, right. Then mound layering is commonly used in hydrangea, sistrum, agave, cacti. In cacti we go for the top grafting. This is also frequently asked question. Cacti top grafting. In agave,
Sir, again repeat.
in cacti mainly we will go for top grafting. Have you heard of this? Top grafting is commonly practiced in cacti.
Spelling, sir.
Top, see,
Spelling, sir.
okay, wait. Top grafting in cacti. This is what we call top grafting. You will
Yes,
see the cacti in the nurseries with the colorful heads, right? Those are mainly top grafted. Those are all grafted cacti. Then only we can expect the different colors in one cacti. They will use mainly separate
sir. Here
roots.
grafted part is which parts are grafted part?
Yeah, you see these two are different cacti. Mainly this rootstock will be used local one, and they will graft any ornamental or colorful graft on the as a scion, like this.
Sir, these all are grafted.
Yeah, these are all grafted cacti. They will cut like this. They will cut the crown. Then they will place the suitable graft on the rootstock. Right? Getting the
Yes,
point?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then hydrangea. What is the specialty of hydrangea? Have you seen the hydrangea?
Sir, pH change होने से sir color change होता है maybe.
Yes, exactly. In acidic condition, what is the flower color? In acidic condition?
Acidic, maybe blue, sir.
Yes, exactly. In acidic condition, the color of the hydrangea will be blue. What it is in basic? Quick.
Forgot it, sir. Please.
In basic, condition, it will be basic condition. It will be pink in color.
Red.
Sir, pink, sir.
Yes, pink in color in the basic condition or alkaline condition. Okay.
Yes.
Then patch budding. Patch budding is very common in red gulmour. Okay. This is also important. Patch budding is mainly followed in. Then you remember top grafting is very important in cacti. Then have you heard of Dinkaraja? Sistrum diurnum. You remember this one. This is also very frequently asked. Sistrum diurnum. Am I audible? Am I audible?
This meeting is being recorded.
Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, now audible.
Now audible. Yes.
Dinka Raja.
Dinka Raja. Sistrum diurnum.
The screen is not showing.
Yes? Screen is not visible.
Yes, visual.
Now it's visible.
Okay. Sistrum diurnum is Dinka Raja. Sistrum nocturnum. This is Ratkarani. Diurnum. Diurnum means daylight. Dinka Raja. Dinka daytime is diurnum. Nocturnal. Nocturnal animals means night. Ratka Rani. These two are very frequently asked question. Got it? Then which of the following is a
Yes.
heavy climber? This Bougainvillea and Bahunia Valley, Wisteria, Quiscalis indicus. These are all heavy climbers. Have you read regarding the climbers?
Sir, difference between light climber and heavy climber, sir.
Means
How you identify that?
okay, I will show in the picture so that you can. Okay, this is in acidic condition. This is in basic condition. Got the difference? Yes? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Have you seen the Bahunia Valley creeper?
Not seen, sir.
Okay, heavy climber means here the climbing habit, growing habit
Sir,
will be.
not seen.
Okay,
Sir, screen we not seen.
screen is not visible now.
Yes, sir. Now.
Now
Yeah.
visible, sir.
Oh, I think internet is not stable. Now it's visible, right? This is
Yes, sir.
Bahunia Valley. It means it grows very quickly and spreads throughout the support. It's
Picture
vegetative.
is not there, sir.
You see here. It
Now
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
yes. It occupied all the whole supporting tree. This is the meaning of heavy climber. It grows very vigorously. Okay. Right?
So picture is not seen, sir. Maybe network issue.
Screen is not visible now.
screen is visible, but how?
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Now the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you got the difference? Heavy climber means it will grow very vigorously on the support. Light climbers means it will be slow in growth compared to heavy climbers. Okay. Then which among the following is a
Yes, sir.
foliage annual? Have you seen the Kochia? Kochia is the very
Kochia.
important
Yes, sir.
foliage annual. You should in the with respect to foliage annuals, they will definitely ask you the question. This Kochia is very important foliage. Okay. You need to remember this one. Kochia. Okay. What is the shape? What is the shape of Kochia? It is columnar. You are seeing in this picture, na?
Globular.
Huh? This is globular or columnar?
Columnar, sir.
You see here.
This is columnar, but sir,
But here it
side
is.
they are called globular.
Yeah,
type.
these are all trained in the parts. It will be like columnar only. Originally, it will be columnar in shape. Okay. Then, which is not the feature? Which is not the feature of Mughal garden? Mainly, in the Mughal garden, we have the features like terrace, high wall, the wooden gates with the iron nails. Then we have the naharas. Nahara means running water or the running stream. Not, we don't have the water basin. This water basin is not the feature
Yes,
of
sir.
Mughal garden. You should carefully screen out the options. Then the mobility of the garden is created with the use of deciduous trees. During rainy, it will be full of vegetative growth. Then in the spring, it will going to shed their leaves, and it will be create the mobility. The vegetative lush green, then flowering, then it will fetch the leaves. Then again in the March, it will going to regrow. It will be in coppery red leaves. This is what the mobility means. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
No pinch, no stake variety, mainly developed in chrysanthemum. Can you name no pinch, no stake variety? Harshad,
So no pin and no stick.
yes? Not audible.
Apurva.
Yes, those are all the important no pinch, no stick, no stake varieties. Those are all you need to remember. This is also a very pakka question from chrysanthemum. No pinch, no stake varieties. Then the series of arches joined together is known as pergola. This is also important one. Series of arches will be joined together to make the pergola. Then which is the quickest method of developing a lawn? Turfing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is the
Yes,
slowest
sir.
method of developing the lawn?
Seedling, sir.
Seeding or dibbling?
Seedling.
Seedling.
The dibbling,
Seeding,
chipping,
sir.
cheapest maybe.
Dibbling is the cheapest one. The seeds of the lawn is costly.
Yes, sir.
You will get the lawn plantlets from the others nursery so that you can easily dibble. You can plant in the rows, but the seeds will be costly compared to normal turf. Okay, turfing is the quickest method and seeding is the slowest, but this is commonly practiced dibbling. Okay, then Pomarosa grass gives the essential oil. Pomarosa oil, right? Then the carnation flowers harvested at paintbrush stage. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. This Dr. R.R. Paul is an important variety of bougainvillea. We have discussed this one, right? Then chrysanthemum variety Pusa
Yes.
Anmol is a mutant of Ajay. Yes or no? Pusa Anmol is a photoinsensitive hybrid, mainly developed through in vitro mutagenesis. This is also very important. Which among the following is the in vitro mutationally bred hybrid of chrysanthemum? They will going to ask like this question. Pusa Anmol. Then damping of disease in nursery is mainly caused through fungal.
Fungus,
Yes,
pythium.
Pythium, Phytophthora, Fusarium. Those are all the fungal pathogens which cause the damping of disease in nursery. Then fairy ring disease in lawn grass is mainly caused due to fungi. This is also frequently asked question. Which is the major disease in lawn? Which is the problematic disease? Fairy ring spot or fairy ring disease. The causal organisms, fungi. Then the Queen Mary Rose Garden is located at London. The biggest rose garden in India located at Chandigarh. At world,
London.
London. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the stem rot in the carnation is mainly due to why? What is the causal organism for the stem rot in carnation? Whether it is due to Euromycetes.
No, sir.
These are all the
Euromycetes.
these are the structures which cause the which disease?
Rust, sir.
Rust. Good. Then in gladiolus is a indicator plant for the fluoride pollution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. True.
Yes.
Sir.
Long shelf life cultivar of carnation. Roland. This is I think this is a private variety. Then National Registration Authority of Roses is mainly located in New Delhi. The National Registration Authority of Rose, New Delhi. Remember this one, NRAR. Then National Registration Authority for Bougainvillea also New Delhi. Then colas and bark are the important constituents of potting media for growing orchids. This bark mixture, then coir pith, coconut husk, those are all important potting mixtures, potting media used for the orchids. Then which cultivar of Bougainvillea is suitable for the pot culture? We have discussed this one. Remember? Which is the suitable variety used for the pot culture? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Begum Sikandar. You try to remember this one. Then which cultivar of Portulaca is developed at NBRI? Junca. Have you heard of Junca cultivation?
Yes, sir.
It is the shifting cultivation followed in northeastern
Hill
parts of
condition.
India. What?
Hill area.
Yes, hilly areas. Junca cultivation. Then which climber is used for the screening purpose? This Vernania, Pyrostegia, Lethrus, these are all used for the screening purpose. You try to remember which are all the heavy climbers, light climbers, and which are all used for the protective purpose and for the screening purpose. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is the night blooming plant? Nyctanthus arboretus. What do you mean by this? What is the common name?
Yes.
Nyctanthus
Sir,
arboretus.
sir, white. Sir, or know that.
Uh-huh. Friday. Have you heard of this movie? Friday. Evening.
Sad tree. Yes, sir. Sad tree.
Saturday.
Sad tree.
Yeah, sad tree. This will going to flower during the evening hours. Mainly during
And
night
at
hours. it will
morning.
go- Yeah.
The
There's also
flowers and
jasmine.
Uh-huh. the
In the
flowers,
morning time, all
yeah,
the flowers fall
will,
into ground surface.
yes, exactly, it will going to bloom during the night time. The flowers will be fallen during morning hours. The fragrance is similar to jasmine, like that, strong jasmine odor. Okay, then the tinting in
Yes.
carnation is mainly done in the white flowers. In tuberose also white flowers. Then what should be the minimum base life for the cut flowers? Means minimum 12 days should be the base life of any cut flower. Then only we can
Sir,
use
base या base sir.
base
BAC या BAC.
base life.
BAC.
Yeah, not base
The
life.
spelling is sir
Yeah,
wrong.
spelling is wrong.
Yes, sir.
BASE. The minimum 12 days should be there for any cut flower. The shelf base life should be 12 days. Getting the point?
Yes sir.
Okay, are you bored of this?
No sir.
Okay, I think this is more than 1 hour class. Today we'll,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, we'll just close the meeting. If you have any doubts, queries, let me know. If you don't have, then we will continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then fine. Okay, we'll continue in the next class.
Okay sir.
Okay, stop.
The recording has stopped.